Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Stellar. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Here on the monthly, we notice a swing high, so we color coordinate it to the chart we're working in. Now, looking at the opposite, we can plot in our monthly swing low. This is the lowest point price has reached. Now, we also notice a key level right here. Where we can see price came down, hit, acting as resistance before reversing. Price broke through, pulled back, acting as support, and we see price broke through and rejecting this level as resistance. And as we see, price is following through to the downside on this candle. Now, we also notice a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions to the level acting as resistance, and we see price reacting to the same level as support. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly time frame. Now here on the weekly time frame, the first level we can notice is our weekly swing high. Now we also notice a level right here. Where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, what do we see here? Another key level with multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. So, looking at the chart, these are all of our key levels plotted. If you guys got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.